Introduction. What is the perfect infinitive? Have you ever wanted to talk about something that could have happened in the past but didn't? Maybe you were thinking about a missed opportunity or a different outcome that never came to be. Or perhaps you needed to express something that you're pretty sure happened, even if you didn't see it yourself. This could be useful in storytelling or when discussing historical events. That's where the perfect infinitive comes in handy. It allows you to convey these nuances with clarity and precision. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Once you get the hang of it, you'll find it quite intuitive and useful in various contexts. The perfect infinitive is simply a way to talk about actions in the past in relation to another action or time. It helps to add depth to your sentences and make your communication more effective. It's formed by using to have plus the past participle of a verb, for example, to have eaten, to have gone, to have seen. These forms can be used in various tenses and moods. Let's dive in and explore how this useful grammar tool works. We'll look at examples, practice forming sentences, and see how it can be applied in everyday language. One way we use the perfect infinitive is to describe an action that happened before something else in the past. This grammatical structure helps us convey a sequence of events clearly and effectively. For example, she seems to have lost her keys. This means that the action of losing the keys occurred before the moment she appears to be searching for them. In this sentence, we understand that the action of losing the keys happened before the speaker noticed that she seemed to have lost them. The perfect infinitive helps us place these events in a clear order. We use to have lost to show this sequence of events. This structure is essential for expressing actions that are completed before another action in the past. Here's another example. He claims to have met the president. This indicates that the meeting with the president happened before he made the claim. Did he really meet the president? The perfect infinitive allows us to question the sequence and truth of past events. We don't know for sure. The use of the perfect infinitive leaves room for doubt and speculation about the past. But we do know that if the meeting happened, it took place before he made the claim. This structure helps us understand and communicate the order of past events with clarity and precision. The perfect infinitive is also great for talking about things that didn't happen, but we wish they had. It's a powerful tool in the English language that allows us to express our regrets and missed opportunities in a nuanced way. Think about those what-if moments or missed opportunities. These are the times when we reflect on our past decisions and wonder how things might have been different if we had made other choices. For instance, I would have gone to the party, but I was sick. This simple sentence conveys a lot of information about the speaker's past desires and the unfortunate circumstances that prevented them from fulfilling those desires. This tells us that the speaker wanted to go to the party in the past but sadly couldn't because they were unwell. It highlights the gap between intention and reality, a common theme in our lives. We can also use the perfect infinitive to express regret. I should have studied harder for the test. This phrase not only shows regret, but also a lesson learned for the future. This implies that the speaker didn't study hard enough and probably didn't do well on the test. It serves as a reminder of the importance of preparation and the consequences of our actions or inactions. The perfect infinitive helps us articulate these complex emotions and reflections, making our communication richer and more meaningful. Sometimes we use the perfect infinitive to express a strong feeling of certainty about something that happened in the past. It's like saying, "I'm pretty sure this is what happened. Take a look. They must have left already. The house is empty." In this case, the speaker is concluding that the people have already left based on the evidence that the house is empty. Here's another example. "She can't have seen me at the store. I was wearing a disguise." Here, the speaker is quite confident that the other person didn't see them because they were disguised. Like any new grammar point, mastering the perfect infinitive takes a bit of practice. Here are a few more examples to help you get the hang of it. You should have seen the look on his face. He seems to have forgotten our appointment. They couldn't have known about the surprise party. We would have invited you, but we ran out of space. Try making your own sentences using the perfect infinitive. Think about different situations where you might need to use it. Congratulations! You've now learned about the perfect infinitive and how to use it in different contexts. Remember, It's formed with to have plus the past participle. It expresses actions completed before another time in the past. It's perfect for talking about missed opportunities, regrets, and certainty about the past. Keep practicing and soon you'll be using the perfect infinitive like a pro.